Hello friends, this is Siddharth Mukherjee. So today again I came with one of my video, and that video is all about support and resistance, and that support and resistance with the pitchfork fan. Okay, pitchfork fan that I will tell you. But before that, I will tell you what is the pitchfork exactly, how this pitchfork is exactly identifying the geometry within your stock prices, and it is a very good tool. Pitchfork is exactly based on the one of the trader was there, pitchfork, and his name is getting used to draw this fork. So fork is exactly that. If you see that three points are there in vertical shape, and one big middle one is there. So fork is written here, and because it looks like a fork, and trader name was somewhere, it's a pitchfork. So if you go here and you want to see the history of the pitchfork history, you will see that you will get many details in the Google. Okay, the pitchfork American online music publication launched in 91. No, pitchfork trader history. We have to write pitchfork trading history. Yeah, so he discovered the stock market at that time, and swing above and below the rising, the falling line. He called that normal line, ML in the current. So it is written there, colibri trader. So they are known as a colibri trader. Like how the pitchfork exactly is getting used. So Andrew, yeah, his name was Andrew, and he gave this name to this pitchfork, and how to use that one, that I will tell you. But before that, little bit get the ground, and that ground is exactly written in Investopedia very well. So mostly I don't see the bookish knowledge. I use how the trading we can do, but for the bookish knowledge you have to refer mostly this Investopedia. So Andrew pitchfork is a technical indicator that uses three parallel lines, looks like a fork, and anyway possible levels of support and resistance. Okay, and as well as a potential breakout and breakdown levels. It is created placing the 3 points at the end of the previous trends and drawing a line from the first point, and that runs through the midpoint, other 2 points. So whatever he is written here, that I will tell you in a very simple way in chart. Okay, let's take these 3 points in a pitchfork. Okay, so what was the previous trend? If you see that there is a multiple swing high and swing lows are there. So if you see that this is another swing high is getting created, and this was the previous swing low, and before that another previous swing low is there, and this is the swing high. So what we will do, to draw the pitchfork, we should take the 3 points. So this is the first point that I have to take, this is the second point I have to take, and this is the third point I have to take. Okay, so pitchfork is exactly identifying the exact support and resistance level in your trading stock market. So if you see that this line, this lower line, so this is the middle line. Okay, this is the lower line, and this is the upper line. So there are 3 main lines are there, and in between you will get this another 2 lines, which is exactly the middle line, upper lower line, and this is the upper lower line. Okay, and this is the lower middle line. Okay, so these are also the resistance and support lines. If you see that, you can get here the exact resistance are here. If you see here, the exact supports are there. So what is the use of this tool? This tool is exactly to identify where exactly the support immediate support and immediate resistance are there. On those areas you have to trade only. Okay, if you go to this previous swing low and swing high, click here, another click here, another click here, you will identify that exactly this is the resistance area, correct? And in that resistance area it exactly struggled to make new high, and it came down. You see that this is the resistance area, this was the previous resistance area. In that resistance area it didn't able to cross above, the stock didn't able to cross the Sun Pharma, and even if it break down from here and break down, then it reached to the lower level of the pitchfork. Okay, so if you go to this Investopedia, they are saying the same thing. See that what they have done exactly, they took the 3 points, first point, second point, third point. So 3 swing points you have to take: low point, high point and low point. Okay, so 2 immediate higher lows you have to take to draw the first and third point, and second point in a swing high. Okay, so when you take that one, it will give you the where exactly the supports are there and where the resistance are there. So whatever the key takeaways are there, entry pitchfork is a method that uses a series of 3 trend lines, identify the trends and reversals. Higher and lower trend lines denote the support and resistance. Andrew pitchfork can provide momentum trader with the signals in the long and intermediate term, which is the most useful in predicting the more protected market swings. It is recommended to always confirm pitchfork breakouts and breakdowns with the other technical indicators. That means you should not use only the pitchfork to trade yourself. You should use some other technique as well, other indicator as well, with the help with the pitchfork. Okay, and you how to calculate those things, those are explaining here. If you see here, I have to close this one. Point 1, starting point of trend or downtrend. Point 2 and 3 is a reaction high and reaction low in uptrend and downtrend. So most of the people don't understand this point, how to draw this one, how to use this one. So I am telling you how to draw this one, how to use this one. First you have to take, let's say today, if tomorrow I want to take the trade, what I will take the trade. If you see, say struggling here for crossing the line. Okay, so it's a simple pitchfork and it is not modified one. Modified one is Skype pitchfork. Skype pitchfork is another pitchfork that I will explain in the next video. In this video I want to concentrate with only pitchfork. So what you have to do exactly, 3 points you have taken. First, swing low, swing high and swing low, correct? And when you see that exactly the resistance points, you able to get that one, and those resistance points the stock is struggling to cross that one. It is not able to cross, though it is going upside only. But so what should be your trade? Your trade should be near the support you have to buy. Okay, don't preempt into the market. You don't buy here. Where you will buy. If you want to buy here near 556, 560 you can buy. Okay, so if you see that I have also given here my alert, and in this area alert I will buy. Okay, and if you go to the technical chart, normal classical technical chart, there is a resistance is there. If you see that there is a resistance is there, correct? So exactly you see the geometry of this pitchfork is there. So wherever the resistance is there in the classical pattern, classical chart or classical trend lines, there as well it is validating itself. Pitchfork is validating itself. That means when this get designed, this tool get designed, the author was exactly able to identify the swing lows and swing highs, and the calculation and mathematics to draw these trend lines, support and resistance lines. Okay, So this is very good, one of the great tool you can use in your trading journey, and you can make money on that one. So if it works in any kind of time frame, it works with the 1 hour time frame as well. It works with your daily time frame, weekly time frame, any time frame it will work. But lower the time frame, validity will be of your trade would be less. Validity of trade would be less. So you see that I draw this trend line, I draw this pitchfork, 3 swing points. Okay, so it is going upside only, correct? If I draw clearly here, first swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, sorry. See that it didn't able to cross this middle line. So middle line is acting like a magnet. It attracts the stocks, but when it reach there, it pushes back that stocks in to the lower levels. Okay, so if you see that it able to cross, the stock price able to cross this line, this resistance line, then resistance trend line, and then stock move to the another point. Okay, that is exactly the middle line that we were talking in Investopedia. Then it fall back. Where it stopped exactly? It stopped near the support line. Then it again took the upside. So where it stopped? It stopped. If you see that it get stopped near the middle line. Middle line again pushed. So it works as a magnet. Sometimes it's a north and south pole that attract each other, but when you make north and north, it will go down. From there it came down again. Okay, so this time it came back here, but again took the support, again attracted, and it went up, then came down, went up. Then here you see the breaking level, and if you draw one line here, parallel line, the same you can extend that one as well. You can extend that one. I will tell you how to extend that one. Just simply click this one and format settings. The settings, pitchfork, style. You see that another line you able to draw that one. You see that another line you able to draw that one. So what you did exactly, click this one, go to the setting, and you have to draw the another line 1.5. You can draw the 1.75 as well and 2 as well. Okay, so you can draw anything. Okay, but I don't want to clutter my whole screen. I want make a limited one. So if you see that it get stopped, it get the stock falling stopped near the next support level, and from that next support level it again went up. Okay, and near resistance you see that it is not able to cross and it is struggling. Then it able to cross with this big line, but again took the resistance on this lower level trend line. Okay, so what I am thinking that Sun Pharma will get fault near 670, 665, then it went up again. Okay, so thank you. My name is Siddharth Mukherjee and I am technical trader, technical analyst. I am doing my trades based on different criteria. You can, if you want to learn from me, then you call me. My number is 8800111363. I have my own Telegram channel as well. That Telegram channel is exactly, I have the, this is my Telegram channel. You see that bulls and bears fight. Bulls and bears fight. This is my Telegram channel. This Telegram channel you can join and you can learn here. I am giving here regularly updates, and in this channel I am mostly posting the charts, but not target and stop loss. As freebies, I am thinking to stop that one because people are not making value on the freebies. So what I am thinking, I have started my paid expiry calls as well, and paid calls here. I am giving here my paid details. So whatever stocks are going, and posting the charts regularly here. So it recently get started, not very much old. On I think April 20th I have started this one. So you can make profit from my paid channel as well, and you can join my free channel where I give the investment calls, but I stopped giving my options and future calls in my free channel. Because people are not giving the value on those things. Okay, so that's why I created this one. And monthly you can give me 3,000 rupees. I will make entry into this group. Those 3,000 rupees I am not keeping it. I am exactly giving to the Akshaya Patra, because there are many childs are there. They are not getting proper foods, not getting proper dress, and those things are getting provided by Akshaya Patra. Apart from that, I have joined two different kind of small organization which are exactly helping the poor kids in terms of education, in terms of their dress, in terms of their school fees, in terms of their books. So there I am also paying lump sum 10,000 rupees yearly. Okay, so this kind of things I am doing, whatever earning I am here. And my main earning is from the trading, and I am also a software engineer. So my main profession is software engineer. This is second profession that I have opted as in a trading, and from the trading I am earning pretty well. I don't need money from my channels, but whatever the earnings I will do with the channel, that will go to this cause. So if you want, you can join my paid channel. Otherwise you can learn from my free channel as well. Okay, now free channels, limited contents I will post, but those content will be very solid and with the proper research. So hope you have enjoyed this video, and with the next video I will come up with the escape pitchfork and how to use that escape pitchfork, and what are the use of those escape pitchfork, that I will explain you. Okay, hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe this channel, so you will get regular update. Okay, so thank you everyone. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Bye.